name is Kyle Titley. I'm the owner of Exceptional Exteriors. We're located in Madison, Wisconsin, and we specialize in full exterior, interior remodels. I'm very busy, but it's very important to take the time to go out there and learn and gather skills that are going to be able to be implemented into your business and make it so you're not as busy, so that you actually feel a little bit less loaded because of that information. So I feel like I grew a lot from the workshop, and it really opened my eyes to, hey, there's a lot of things I need to focus on fixing in my business. 6 months later, I've already am feeling of quite a bit of a shift. There's a lot more work to be involved, and there's always going to be work in the business, but I feel a lot better about it now. I need to be tracking my clients, where they're coming from, but then also just making sure I'm tracking them through the whole process and not losing them. Definitely a very laid-back salesman, so I gotta make sure that I'm keeping track of these clients through that whole process, knowing if they're just not a right fit, they don't want to work with us, or hey, what's the next step in the process? I think I've been very good about making sure I'm always having that next step. That's one thing I took away from that workshop and just have stuck to, and it's been tremendous with my closing.